Okay, we're on a road trip today and we're hauling our trailer. We're going to look at a tractor. We hope that it's everything that it's advertised to be. So we have to drive about 2.5 hours to get there, and so join us in the road trip. The video will not be 2.5 hours long. So, Mr. David, what do you think about going to get a tractor?
Love it. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is looking at tractors with my friend. I can't wait to get on the road again.
Don't quit your day job. We've arrived at the destination and we're looking at the tractor. Somebody's on it right now, and I hope that they didn't decide to come over here and buy it. Okay. But I don't know if we're going to take it yet. But he's trying it out. We will see. Looks like it's a no-go. He's talking about the condition and that it's overpriced. So looks like we won't be buying this tractor today. Dumped some old appliances on our property before we bought it, and we're going to try to load this up to take it to the county